In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over an image on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place text on top of a photo, style it so it looks great, and make it easy to read on your site. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor with the page and image you want to use already open. On the left side of the editor, click the plus icon to add elements. This is your main toolbox for everything you'll place on the page. From the Elements panel, click Text. This opens Wix's text options so you can choose the kind of text that fits your design and purpose. Now pick the text type you want. Headings are perfect for bold titles, paragraph text works well for longer descriptions, and themed text keeps your choices consistent with your site's design. Hover over the options to preview styles, then click the one that matches your needs. Drag your selected text box onto the image and drop it where you want it to appear. As you move it, use the smart guides to help center or align the text with other elements. If the text snaps to the wrong spot, nudge it with your arrow keys for precise placement. Click the text box and choose Edit Text. Replace the placeholder content with your own copy. Keep it concise if it's a headline, and consider adding a short subheading if you need a bit more context. With your text selected, adjust the style. Change the color to something that contrasts with the image so it's legible. Light text on dark areas or dark text on light areas usually works best. You can also tweak alignment, letter spacing, and line spacing here to improve readability and balance. If you want a different look, switch the font. Choose a font that matches your brand and is easy to read. Pair a strong sans serif for headings with a clean body font for smaller text. Avoid overly decorative fonts on busy images, as they can become hard to read. Adjust the font size so it feels proportionate to the image and the page. Make the headline large enough to stand out without overpowering other elements. Resize the text box if your lines wrap in awkward places. Finally, click Effects to add finishing touches. A subtle drop shadow, outline, or background highlight can dramatically improve contrast against complex images. Keep effects light and consistent so they enhance, not distract. When you're happy, preview your page and check how it looks on desktop and mobile. Make small adjustments if needed, then you're set. That's how you add text over an image in Wix with style and clarity.